Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Mopar Mike from Nielsen Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. Today I wanted to do a video on a new antenna that I got for my Ram 1500. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got a bullet antenna. This thing, let's see here. There you go. It's from VMS Racing. It's a pretty cool looking antenna here. And I just wanted to do a quick install video, so you guys can see how these things work, and we'll see how well it works. So we're gonna come over here, the side of my truck. I already loosened it up, but basically all we're doing here, it's a pretty simple install. You're just gonna unscrew the factory antenna. Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys can see here. I don't know if I can flip the screen here. So I can flip the screen. There we go. This way I can see what you guys are seeing. So you'll see that this comes with a variant of different adapters. Now, this is because obviously, you know, they sell these for other vehicles other than the Ram. This one here seems to be the one that will fit my truck, so this is the one that I'm going to use. It would have been actually nice if they kind of customized it a little bit and would have just sent just the one that you need, because they don't all match perfectly, and I'll show you that here. If you look here, the size, it seems like it's a little shorter, so I'm actually a little concerned whether or not, you know, it'll pick up the way we need it to. I don't know if in terms of the connection for the antenna, if that's going to be an issue, but that's the only one that looks like it's going to fit, so that's the one that we're going to use, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to take these two pieces here, we're going to come back over here. Nice and tight. There you have it. So it's a lot lower profile than the original antenna. I just think that the factory antenna that comes on the Ram, at least on the 2018 model that I own, just a little outdated. So you can see the difference here. So we'll check it out and see how it works.